If you're a fat loss coach who used to get clients easily in the gym but now struggles to attract online clients, this video is for you. You're not alone. Many coaches face this exact problem when switching from in-person to online. Today, I'll show you 4 mistakes that are silently killing your online growth and, more importantly, how to fix each one. And if you stay till the end, I have something for you that will help you attract high-ticket coaching clients for you fat loss coaching. So let's get started. Mistake number 1: you keep posting about your in-person clients only. This is a big one. You're used to showing your gym clients photos of them working out, smiling after a session, or showing their progress. And while that builds trust locally, it doesn't connect online. Why? Because your online audience probably doesn't know your gym. They're not there. They're watching from another city, another country, even another continent. The fix? Start making content that speaks to people outside the gym. Show home workouts. Share fat loss tips that don't need a gym. Use your phone to record short videos or carousels with easy advice they can follow today. And most importantly, start showcasing your online clients, too, even if it's just a DM saying, "Thanks coach, I lost 3 kilograms at home." Screenshot it and post it. That's what builds trust online. Mistake number 2: you're still trying to work with everyone. At the gym, you're probably helping all kinds of people, young, old, male, female. That's normal in person. But online? That doesn't work. Online, people are looking for specialists. They want to know, is this coach for me? If your message is "I help everyone," people scroll away. Here's the fix. Pick one group of people you love working with and talk only to them. It could be busy mom, corporate guys, new mom, people over 40. Be specific. Instead of "I help people lose fat," say "I help busy moms lose 10 pounds in 90 days with simple daily habits." Now people pay attention. They finally feel like you understand them. Mistake number 3: you're ignoring your gym clients for online offers. This one is sneaky. You think of gym clients as in-person only, so you never tell them about your online program. But guess what? Your current gym clients are your warmest leads for online coaching. They already trust you. They've already paid you. You don't need ads or cold DMs. Here's what to do. Next time you chat with a gym member, just say, "By the way, I also help people online if you ever need support from home," or send a message like, "Hey, I'm launching my new 30-day online fat loss program. Want early access?" Simple messages like that can bring in your first few online clients without spending anything. You can even bundle the offer. For example, get a free month of online coaching when you renew your gym membership. Start using what you already have. Mistake number 4: you're not around successful online coaches. This one's about environment. You're spending most of your time around in-person trainers, people who work in gyms, like you. But the online world is very different. If you're not learning from coaches who've built successful online businesses, you'll keep repeating old habits. Offline methods don't work the same online. The fix? Start following successful online coaches, join Facebook groups, watch YouTube videos, take notes on how they post, how they sell, and how they structure their content. You'll notice something. They don't sell themselves, they sell results. They don't just post workouts, they share beliefs, stories, transformations. Surround yourself with these people, even digitally, and you'll start thinking like them. Your profile plays most important role in attracting high-paying coaching clients for your fat loss coaching business. If you want to know how to make your Instagram profile that attracts high-paying coaching clients, go to this video and I'll see you there.